In this video, we'll discuss Extraction 2 in development at Netflix. Chris Hemsworth will hopefully return. Before I start the video, please subscribe to our channel for movies updates. So let's start. Extraction 2 is officially in the works at Netflix, with Joe Russo set to write the sequel. Following several years with Marvel Studios, Anthony and Joe Russo are beginning the next phase of their career. They launched their own production company, AGBO, and quickly got to work on a number of projects such as 21 Bridges with Chadwick Boseman. While their next directional effort is the Tom Holland-led drug or war drama Cherry, Joe wrote the script for Chris Hemsworth's action movie Extraction first. Directed by longtime stunt performer and director Sam Hargrave, Extraction recently debuted on Netflix and introduced the streamer's massive audiences to Hemsworth's new action hero, Tyler Rake. The film focuses on Rake's attempt to rescue a child and keep him alive, with the action highlighted in the lead up to Extraction's release and in reviews of the film. Although the movie was standalone, it did leave room for more stories with Tyler Rake to be whole potentially, and now Netflix is ready to make that a reality. According to Deadline, Joe Russo has closed a deal to write the script for Extraction 2. Joe said in a statement confirming the news that, "We're not committing yet to whether the story goes forward or backward in time. We left a big loose ending that leaves question marks for the audience." At this point, Sam Hargrave has yet to sign on to direct the sequel, and Chris Hemsworth does not have a contract to return. The report notes that Netflix is waiting to make those details until the script is complete. The announcement that a sequel to Extraction is in development shouldn't come as a surprise. Netflix has managed to capitalize greatly on the Russos' first post-Marvel creation. The company recently shared that Extraction is on pace to become the biggest film premiere ever on Netflix. Despite not knowing how many people have viewed the movie at this stage, Netflix predicts that 90 million households will have watched the movie after 4 weeks. But it's not clear which metric Netflix is applying to that projection, as a view could count after watching as little as 2 minutes of the movie. Considering the popularity of Extraction with Netflix's subscribers and the ambiguous ending, Extraction 2 moving forward is a no-brainer. Even though the sequel is just now entering the development process, the decision to have Joe Russo write the script solo again could be questioned. The story of Extraction, which is based on a comic co-written by Joe, has been the subject of some criticism since it was released due to the white savior element. Extraction 2 may benefit from another voice working on the script, but that new perspective could still be added later on in development. For now, the sequel to Extraction is moving forward, and only time will tell how or if the creative team changes. So that's it for now. Stay tuned for more updates.